Welcome back, my friends in conflict. Are you an executive, a senior leader, or manager who would like to have greater engagement on your team? Are you a leader who feels a little disengaged yourself? Perhaps you were promoted to a management position and not really provided very much training in how to be an effective manager. Well, today's video is going to be a short overview of pulse check-ins and their value to you as a coaching tool. So, as a manager, when is the last time that you checked in with each of your team members? And not to ask about deliverables, but rather to find out how they're doing in general. According to Gallup's 2024 State of the Global Workforce report, employee engagement has dropped to one of its lowest levels. And a top reason for this that is cited by these employees in the survey is a lack of connection with their manager. Now, if you're an executive, you need to pay attention to this because your managers who report to you may also be among those employees who feel a lack of connection. When check-ins are held consistently and with intentionality, they become much more than just a meeting. They become a signal to the employees that they are seen and heard and understood. The key to good check-ins is frequency and transparency. A check-in does not have to take 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour. It can be a short conversation that takes 5 minutes or less. But do not become over-focused on the brevity, because as you discover things about your employees and their concerns, you may need to invest a little more time to discuss those items. Now, pulse check-ins are meant to be short and frequent. It's a little bit different than a formal check-in, which you may have scheduled on your calendar once a month or once per quarter. Those more formal check-ins that you have on your calendar are great opportunities to discuss the things that you discovered during those pulse check-ins. So a simple formula for a good pulse check-in should include three things. First is to start with empathy. Second is to refocus on goals. And third is to invite collaboration. When it comes to empathy, just ask questions genuinely and sincerely about what might be draining or energizing your team member. As they respond to that question, try to be really present as the manager or executive if you're speaking with one of your managers. As you discuss goals with a team member, be really open to them sharing the progress that they are experiencing. But be sure to invite them to share with you any obstacles that they might be encountering. And finally, be really encouraging to them. Invite collaboration and ask them how you can support them in achieving their objectives. As you do this on a regular basis, I promise that you will experience greater trust between you and your team members. If you are not doing this on a weekly basis, then you may be missing an opportunity for a low cost but high impact tool that can really strengthen your team's performance and drive culture. So start by trying it out this week. It doesn't take a lot of preparation, just have the conversation. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on management effectiveness and conflict mitigation. Thanks for watching.